I look like this?
Okay.
Hey sweeties, it's Stephanie and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my hair. Today I'm going to be doing finger waves for the first time ever. I just pray this goes well, because if it doesn't, it's gonna go well, don't worry. I trust myself, and you're wondering, what the hell, what on earth, what Rona is on your head? I don't know too. Me and you together, we're gonna do my hair. Enough with the play, enough. Now I have never done it before, but we're gonna see how we do, you know, mommy. So we're going to try to do finger waves for the first time, okay? So if you want to see all of this, turn to all of this. Yes. Girl, you look fine. Please keep watching. So please don't go anywhere and keep watching. I do not want to take this off because under this scarf you can find dead body. That's the truth. You know what? I'm just going to pop in lip gloss, okay? Because right now I look crazy. You know, there's something about lip gloss. It just makes everything look better. Who looks like a snack now? Hi, Jaman. Hi, Jaman.
Hide your girls. I'm coming soon. Don't have me.
Man crush Monday, bro.
Don't have me.
So my hair is actually spongy, so we have to relax it. So I have the I have the Mega Growth Perfective Relaxer, and it comes with this shampoo. This is the shampoo at the back. So it's said to mix the two together. I'm going to be pouring it inside a plastic cup. It said not to use a metal plate. I can't stay 10 minutes or 5 minutes with relaxer on my hair. It's so painful. I cry almost every time. So I just pray this video is going to be different. I'm so scared. I'm so scared right now. Oh God. Okay, so we're doing it. I'm doing it. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to put like hair cream. I'm using this hair cream from Elan. I want to put hair cream in front of my hair so that my hairline doesn't get missing, you know. Okay, so let's continue. Oh God, please help me. I am your child. It already hurts. It hurts. It burns though. Like already. It has not even been 5 minutes. So I'm going to get my comb and like brush it, you know. I have to get all the relaxer in. It is burning! Hey! It burns! It burns! It burns! Oh god, oh god, oh god. Hey, Jesus. It's been 30 minutes now and I'm going to wash it. Okay guys, I'm back. So I kept my relaxer for 30 minutes. I washed it off now. And...
Bruh.
So I'm going to be carrying the same hair cream from Ellen. I'm just going to put it all over my hair. Why do I look like this? Okay, so I'm going to part my hair. So I'm going to be using the Echo Styling Gel in coconut oil. I like this gel because it has like glitters inside it. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but if you can't see it, sorry for you, bro. So I'm going to get like a decent amount because I don't have mousse. If you have mousse, you can also use it. I think mousse is like way better than gel. Like to combine the two, use the mousse and use the gel, but I'm just going to be using the gel because I have just the gel. Just going to be placing it all over my hair. So I don't advise for you to put gel immediately after relaxing your hair. You should probably wait for 24 hours before applying gel on your relaxed hair because it stung a little bit when I did it. Okay, so we're going to start. Okay, I've never done this before, so if I'm doing it wrong and you want to say shit, keep it to yourself. Okay, so what I'm basically doing is I'm using the comb to make a wavy effect on my hair. So I'm basically going in and out and in and out and just continue like that. You know what, I'm not going to attempt the back because you know I'm an amateur at this. I'm an amateur. So I'm just going to like make it like a C here. Oh, I think it's pretty like this. Oh God! Hide your bin. Woman Crush Wednesday. Oh God. Okay, so let's go to this place. You know we started like forward here, so we're going to go backwards here.
Okay. So let's go. No.
What? So I decided to give it another try, but I realized that the center part of my hair was not fully relaxed, so it was very difficult for me to achieve the wave that I actually wanted. What's going on? Since the center of my hair was not cooperating, so I decided to do another style that I saw from Said Black. I'll probably link her video in my description box below. Guess who's back again, better than ever. I'm not going to start my finger wave from here. I want to start from here, so I'm just going to like curve it, then start the waves, if you understand what I mean. I'll just show you how I'm doing it. Since the center hair is not cooperating as much as I wanted it to, I'm just going to make a very big C, and that will be the first wave for that side. Just like the smaller part of my hair, I'm going to be using the comb, and I'm going to be going in and out to make sure that I am creating the wavy effect that I want. And of course, you can do this over and over again to make the C very uniform and neat. It's not the best waves in the world, but you know, it's still really nice. I think I like it. So I'm just going to brush my hair backward. Please make sure to brush the back very well, since we're not going to be finger waving it. Next, I'm going to be using a scarf to tie my hair. If you have a silk scarf, you can use that, but I don't have that, so I'm going to be like extra gentle with this. So yeah, I don't want it to have like a line if I tie it like this, because the line is going to show with the gel. So I'm just going to tie it like.
So I'm just going to wait for the gel to dry up and for this scarf to like absorb the gel. Then we're going to take it out.
So I'm going to come back with my makeup all done, looking all catchy, you know. So yeah, I'm going to do that and see you in a few seconds. Hey guys, I just did my makeup off camera, and I'm going to be removing this to show you the big reveal. Oh my god! So this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and show some love by clicking the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Thumbnail shit. Period poo. This is the condition we are now. It's a pandemic. I look like a serial killer. What is this? Who? It's okay. It's okay. All this will be better. Oh god. I like it. I like it. You know, some people be like, "What? Are you okay? What is wrong with you? You look extra pumped today." Yes, baby girl. Yeah. And I'm going. It actually comes with this small sponge. So it's big. I'm supposed to be putting timer. What's time? You bring your phone here. Jesus. How will I relax my brows? Just going to put it on.